Looking for a one-level home in the prime location of Millbrae with 13,000 square feet lot, top school district, and walking distance to the park? Come check out 1460 Murchison.
In the heart of Mills Estate, over 13,000 laid, single level living, every detail line. 阳光落进每一个角落，空间让生活自然展开。It starts in the kitchen where the mornings begin. A gas cooktop ready as the light settles in. 烟火气与温度都在这里发生。By the breakfast nook where the day moves slow, coffee quiet moments in a soft warm glow, flowing into spaces where everyone meets. Family room, laughter, living room ease. A cozy fireplace, a place to unwind, with a skylight above, letting daylight pour inside. A wet bar for evenings, effortless and free, in a spacious primary suite, your own retreat to be. This is where life feels right, wrapped in warmth and natural light. Morning coffee, backyard breeze, simple moments, perfect ease. 创意摇晃，像时间在说话。More than walls, more than views. It's a place that lives with you.
呢間屋坐落於 Millbrae Mills Estate， 陽光空氣充足，非常之安全。快啲有時間嚟睇下1460 Murchison 啊！
Close to everything you need, yet a world away from city lights to quiet nights and just a breath away. Every upgrade, every line, made for living redefined. This is where life feels right. Room to grow and room to breathe. Every moment, every scene, just the way it's meant to be. Mills Estate, your next begin. Not just a home, but where you live. 也许这就是你一直在找的家。
Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I'm Margaret. Buying or selling, just say when.